All right, guys, this is gonna be the new project, 2016 Chevy Malibu. What we're doing with this today is that this thing was hit right here in the front bumper. Now, this is the LT version. The LTs, look at that fender. We're not gonna fix that fender. We might fix it after and mess around with it later. I doubt it. But as far as what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a new fender on there. As far as the LT versions go, the LT versions has the sensor right here, down there, and there's a couple more other ones around. But the bumper that I have has a hole down here for a sensor, but we're gonna plug it off from the back, and then eventually the customer or the friend or family member, I'm gonna buy the plug that you can plug in there, because we don't have the sensors on this side. But I'm gonna plug it from the back. Yeah. So 2000 Chevy Malibu LT. When I get Larry over here, we'll film it on how to take this bumper off. So get ready for the new paint job coming on the Malibu. The parts are right here. The owner had bought this bumper, but it has no sensors in it. No holes for the sensors. I just thought that was gonna be too much time for me to drill a hole, make the stuff all happen, and there you go. But long story short, I got the new bumper from Certifit, but they call it Sortifit. There's a tag number if you're interested, with the sensors in it. I know that on the website, when you try to, here's a hole right there. If you try to order these, they're kind of hard to find. But long story short, 2016 Chevy LT Malibu. We'll go ahead and film it once I get Larry over here to help me do his part, because right now I'm gonna set up the parts to paint over here. Be back, YouTube. Stay blessed and don't stress.